So, I want to invite everyone to take this moment to drop in and know that we get to serve that bigger picture. Gene Houston calls it, some things are soul size affairs. And the prayers we need for the planet right now are soul size. So if you'll just bring your whole consciousness to this moment and allow yourself to breathe, imagine that your light is spiraling down your core as you breathe. Follow it in. Allow yourself to take up residence in the core of your body to arrive more and more in the heart of now, which is where all the power is. Imagine you can sink your grounding deeper into the earth, or maybe refresh your grounding. We change so rapidly now, it's good to refresh it every few days. So sending the old roots into the earth and allowing your new grounding to open roots deep into this precious planet of ours that offers us so many resources. Breathing in, letting go. The earth will absorb whatever's been toxic, just allowing what you don't need from where you've been to flush into the earth. And breathing out, and for a few moments, breathe up earth energy and breathe up your life force. Let it fill you. Let your body be nourished by whatever energies you want from the earth. Big full in-breath, big long out-breath with a sigh. Resets the nervous system. And now imagine on your in-breath, your light is flowing in, light from the universe, lighting up your own internal light body. And so you can become, if you wish, your light body, your spiritual higher essence self. It's like you're turning on the light in every cell. From this place of being in our light and grounded, we want to call upon the realms of light and all the councils of light and offer up these soul-sized prayers that would say, right now, we call for divine intervention on this planet. We want a lot more soul and a lot more play and way less violence. And we'd like war to dissolve as a coping mechanism for our species. We want to let go of ownership, let go of those rulers, those leaders that think they own land or own people, and transmute it, realms of light, transmute it to honorship. That each leader honors the privilege that they have of leading, and they honor people, and they honor this earth. It may take a few million miracles, so there's a lot of us here. We'll call for a few million miracles. Whatever it takes to up-level the consciousness of the species that we're a part of. So on behalf of all humanity, all womanity, we call for divine intervention of a magnitude great enough to lift the consciousness of this species toward more harmony, toward more peace, toward more love, universal love, more acceptance. Great Mother Goddess, Father God, Divine Essence, Creatrix, we know you created this planet with duality, but it's gone a little far. A little too much darkness, a little too deep evil, and we want that dissolved. So we link up with the prayers of lightworkers everywhere around the globe, the rituals, the activations for universal peace, and ask that that level of the darker energies, it's okay to have shadow, but that deep, deep darkness that is anti-life, we want that dissolved from the consciousness of this species. We offer it up. You might use your hands. Imagine you lift it up out of yourself, offering it up on behalf of all beings. And we ask that Radiant beings of light, guides and angels and archangels are activated by these prayers to create those serendipitous opportunities for advancement of the consciousness of all beings, that we may have what we most desire, to live on a planet of peace and harmony, of unity, unifying truth, unifying connection, lots of love, lots of play, lots of dancing, and all people being able to participate in the play and in the connection to the divine. All this we offer up on behalf of all beings upon this earth, to that which is the sacred, that which is the heart of Source itself. And we accept the light that emanates from that heart of Source, bathing the whole earth in scalar waves of grace, waves of light, and waves of forgiveness, waves of peace, encompassing the earth, encompassing us. Breathe it in. Let yourself be the light. Blessed be.